Forest Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 448, effective until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Utah: Salt Lake and Utah. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 448 has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Salt Lake and Utah.